Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that many aspiring entrepreneurs wonder about. Can e-commerce really make you a millionaire? I'm Bot Busters, and we'll explore the reality behind this question, uncovering the potential and challenges of e-commerce success. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Now, let's jump right in. It's no secret that some individuals have struck gold in the world of e-commerce. We'll showcase a few incredible success stories of entrepreneurs who've gone from rags to riches through e-commerce ventures. We'll examine what they did right and how they achieved millionaire status. While success stories are inspiring, it's essential to understand the realities of e-commerce. We'll discuss the challenges and pitfalls many face when starting an online business. From fierce competition to the ever-changing market trends, we'll provide a balanced view of what to expect. Becoming a millionaire through e-commerce requires more than luck. We'll explore the key factors that contribute to e-commerce success, such as identifying profitable niches, building a strong brand, and mastering digital marketing techniques. Identifying profitable niches, we'll start by discussing the importance of selecting the right niche for your e-commerce venture. Identifying a profitable niche is essential as it allows you to target a specific audience, stand out from competitors, and build a strong brand identity. Building a strong brand, building a brand that resonates with your target audience is crucial for long-term success. The significance of branding in e-commerce and how it fosters trust, loyalty, and recognition among customers. Mastering digital marketing techniques. Effective digital marketing is the backbone of any successful e-commerce business. We'll dive into various digital marketing strategies, such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Understanding and utilizing these techniques can significantly boost your online visibility and customer acquisition. Providing excellent customer experience. Customer satisfaction is paramount in e-commerce. Positive customer experiences lead to repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. Optimizing website and user experience. A user-friendly and well-designed website is crucial for conversions and sales. Pricing and profit margins. Finding the right balance between competitive pricing and maintaining healthy profit margins is a critical aspect of e-commerce success. Adapting to market trends. E-commerce is a dynamic landscape, and market trends can change rapidly. We'll feature a case study of a successful e-commerce entrepreneur who started small and made it big. We'll dive into their journey, the strategies they used, and the challenges they overcame to achieve millionaire status. Carl Hartmann. Carl is the CEO of Temando, a company that helps companies optimize product delivery to customers. He's won many awards for his work, including the IBM Global Entrepreneur of the Year in Australia. As Carl says, if you want to sell online, you need to get 3 things in order: a place to sell, a method of accepting payments, and a way to ship your products. If you've ever tried to ship a product, especially internationally, you understand that it can sometimes be a struggle. Temando lets store owners ship from anywhere in a streamlined fulfillment process. The importance of persistence. The significance of persistence and resilience in the journey towards e-commerce success. Starting an online business and aspiring to become a millionaire through e-commerce requires dedication, hard work, and the ability to overcome challenges. By delving into stories of entrepreneurs who faced failures and setbacks but persevered, viewers can understand the true value of persistence in achieving their goals. E-commerce has become more accessible with user-friendly platforms and dropshipping options. Different models like retail, dropshipping, and affiliate marketing offer varied opportunities. To start with minimal investment, choose a niche, leverage dropshipping/pod, and use social media for marketing. Prioritize quality and cost-effective strategies for a successful e-commerce venture. So, can e-commerce make you a millionaire? The answer lies in understanding the potential, being prepared for the challenges, and dedicating yourself to the journey. It's not an overnight success story, but with the right strategies and persistence, you could find success in the world of e-commerce. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow aspiring entrepreneurs. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on building successful businesses. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams and making things happen. Take care, and see you in the next video.